on behalf of my family, my wife, Daniel, David, my Almario family, to my Cruz family, to our friends, from our venue, to our caterer, to our videographers, photographers. Special mention to Fran, Monique, to Angel and Chris, to Kathleen, and to Dexter, Mercy, and to Lot, of course. From our bottom of our hearts, I don't know how to thank you guys for at least being here, especially my Almario family. Ninong D surprised me at church when she came. So sad that Ninong Len had to go just to watch her from upstairs. Nin, I love you. Today is a happy day. Happy tayo lahat. And I don't know how to thank everyone, but really, I really thank each and every one of you. And to my wife, thank you for everything. For all those years that you have sacrificed for me. For 2 kids, kahit na makulit. Thank you for cooking for me. For us, for giving us patience, for being a good mom, and a very faithful wife. Thank you. And lastly, I want to thank Mommy, love you. Thank you for taking care of us. Thank you for taking care of the kids. We love you. Thank you. We don't know how life would be without you. Thank you. And of course, my mom, who flew with me just to witness this special day of mine. Thank you also for being there for the kids, for me, and for Daisy. We love you. And for my wife. This is it's not an engagement, it's not a wedding ring, but this is a promise ring. Actually, it's an infinity ring. You know, I cannot promise you a straight path. Not always happy.
You're on our side.
It will go ups and downs. And but one thing I would vow to you is I would love you till the day I die. You, Daniel, and David, you are my family. And as I said, you're all worth dying for. Love you. And this is from Daniel and David. Walang ilaw. Your
You're hurting Raj.
Thank you again, everyone.
Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Dee, for sharing this day with us. We are so blessed. We're so inspired by.
I forgot one thing. Thank you, Ate Chris. And for having this celebration. Very, so much fun, so memorable. Wow. I can't say.
We love you.
Thank you. It's an honor. It's our honor.
We love you.
Oh, and where's my singer? Kat, thank you. I really felt your song. And my two ninang, thank you for being here. Love you. And then thank you for a wonderful speech. Daddy Nins, love you. And my first reader. Thank you for the church. Tagalog! Tagalog! Kung ako yun, mabubulol ako eh. Yung boss ko kanina, nabubulol na ako eh.
So again, thank you for inspiring us. I think that we can all agree we leave tonight very inspired by their love story. Very much touched by the love that we have witnessed today. And not just today, but really throughout the year. So we wish you all the best. Dan and Daisy, go with all our love and all our best wishes and our most powerful prayers for more love. Because as they say, a true love story
Never